Welcome to Inspired Healing Meditations, intuitively channeled for your highest good. Set your sacred space by lighting a candle, playing your favorite relaxing music, having a journal close by. Trust your inner knowing, trust your imagination, and know that all of this unfolds for your highest good and your highest healing. You are healing the planet and healing yourself. Feel free to leave a comment or a question, and I'm happy to connect more with you about this process. Much love. Enjoy today's meditation. In today's healing meditation, you are guided to connect so deeply with a wish, something that you wish to create in your life. We utilize our alignment, love energy, earth energy to expand and energize our wish. And we trust that this beautiful meditation unfolds for our highest good and the highest good of our planet. Enjoy today's meditation. Let's drop into today's healing meditation. Close your eyes and turn your outer gaze inward. Become aware of your heart space. Take a deep breath into your heart space. We feel our feet firmly planted on the ground. We feel our shoulders upright and our crown reaching toward the sky. As we inhale, we notice our breath expand from our heart up and down through our body. And as we exhale, we relax and become more present with ourselves. We allow our shoulders to rest and fall, our eyelids to become heavy. We release our fingers, open, softening. We set the intention of inner alignment, higher alignment. We set the intention of recognizing ourselves as divine beings, spiritual beings. We open to abundant, flowing love energy. We open to the beautiful, sparkling energy of the universe. We set the intention of healing, seeing what is unknown. We set the intention for seeing what we are ready to see, and opening to greater love. As we inhale, we breathe into our heart space and expand the love within us. We feel this love expanding up and down, front, back, right, left. We can visualize this love flowing from our heart space down through our back, our legs, our feet, all the way to the center, the heart of the earth. We can visualize this love energy moving up through our back, our neck, our shoulders, our head, above, 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 way up to the heart of the sun. We breathe in the love of the sun and the earth into our hearts. We feel into our body, we feel into the space within us, and we notice. We notice, where do we find openness and flow? Where do we find restriction or tension? We go into those open, flowing areas and breathe even more deeply, allowing the openness, expansiveness. We allow this openness to expand even further within us. We continue breathing with the earth, and we notice the landscape within us begins to look like the earth. Blues and greens. We see ourselves as the earth. We bring this blue and green earth energy into the spaces within us. And just as the earth knows exactly what to do, how to move, how to live, how to soften, how to grow, how to be, our inner world is also learning this. Softening, growing, expanding with the rhythm of life. And bring to mind a situation or a worry or a concern in your life that feels tender, that needs some attention, love, and healing. In your mind's eye, maybe you put yourself in this experience, and we set the intention to grow in awareness. What is this situation teaching us? As we inhale, we allow this beautiful, loving earth energy to create a cocoon around us, and we sit in this space of curiosity. We sit in the space of receiving and opening to awareness. We take a moment to set an intention for something we wish to create in our lives. What is it we wish to create? Identify for yourself what it is you wish to create in your life. We take a deep breath into what it is we wish to create. We flow this beautiful blue and green earth energy around our wish. And our beautiful earth nurtures this wish with us. We say thank you to earth and sun, love, energy, for this moment to align so deeply in such truth and wisdom. We say thank you. And you can sit here for a few moments longer, or feel free to gently begin to move your body, open your eyes, and move toward your journal. Set your timer for at least 8 minutes to allow yourself the chance to free write, stream of consciousness writing, solidifying your wisdom, what you know, what you've learned, what you wish to create in your beautiful life. I'll see you next time. Much love.